Hi guys, so in this video tutorial we will create a simple Angular project. The name of the project is random joke. So in this project we will be creating a UI which will automatically generate the jokes using a backend API, and which we will see further. So the steps to develop the UI is divided into three parts. The part one will be the demo project. We will see about what are we building, then the explanation about it, and then we will start developing of the project. And we will create the project, we will install the Bootstrap, install Angular materials and all the dependencies which are important for developing the project. In the part 2 of the project, we will create the component, we will create the HTML, CSS and the TypeScript functions. And in the part 3, we will create a service which will interact with the API via UI. And then we will create some API functions, and then finally we will integrate that API with our UI, and then we will run our project. So the first thing will be the demo. This will be the UI of what we will develop, that is the random jokes. So as you can see that it is developing, or it is generating the random jokes. As you can see, on clicking on the next button, automatically the jokes are getting changed, and there is an option to select the category of which type of joke do we want to see, and if someone change the category, so that joke used to come in of that particular category. This is what we have to develop today. First of all, we have to create a project, Angular project. So the command to create an Angular project is ng new, then the project name. So here let's say the project name is random jokes. After creating the project, open the file where the project is created in VS Code. This is a public API, that is API chongknowledge.io, and we will integrate this API with our UI. So I will be giving the link in the description to this UI, and this is completely free, no need to sign in, nothing. So before starting to develop the UI, first we will host the UI, or we will see about whether the project is generated properly or not using the command ngserve. To check the project hosted, we have to go on Google and localhost 4200. Yeah, our project is up. So after that, we have to go in source app and app.component.html file, and we have to remove all the each and everything except the last line. It is after the router outlet. If we save it, you can see that it's gone on the UI. Yes, we don't have anything. So now we will import all the dependencies which we will need in this project. So just open the terminal, or if the terminal access is not there, so you can directly open the command prompt over here. First of all, we will install Bootstrap. Then we have to go in angular.json file, then in architecture, then build, and inside that there is an option called as styles. So in the style we have to add Bootstrap also. Modules. And we have to just save it. After that, we have to install another dependency, that is Angular material. So the command to install Angular dependencies or Angular materials are angular / Angular material. After completing installation, now we have to import. Then we have to import that in angular.module.ts file. So go in app.module.ts file. So in the next video, we will generate a component. Then we will get started with developing the HTML, CSS and the TypeScript functions.